Squad? Honda Squad. Ooh, dirt nasty. I don't know. Check the weight of these bass rims. Those ones were 31.8. Let's check these heavy sides. These are actually a smaller rim. But, all right. 37.4. Oh my God. These are heavy. All right. Double check everything while we got the tire off. Pads are brand new. Rotors look good. Coil over. He said these are camber, whatever you want to call it. Top control arms, but they're not. They're stock. That doesn't jiggle. I wonder if it's supposed to. Yeah. I don't think it's supposed to have that much play. But this axle looks new. No rust. Oh no. Which is good. You can see the grease in there, so he greased up the calipers nice. I do want to bleed the brakes. Maybe we could do that too. The locking nuts. Put them in there like that, hand tight. The hub eccentrics makes this thing sit perfectly right in the middle. And now it jiggles a little bit, so that's why I don't like not having them. Hand tighten them. And then I try to move it with my own. And then I just check this little ring and make sure it looks good. And that's all you do. And torque it down. Put your little cap back. Oh, I didn't even realize I got the red ones. So I want to paint the car red. So that would look really good. Yeah, she's good. All right. Project weight reduction. Shit. It's got some weight in this stuff. I found the best way to get this off is to jam a flathead here while pulling on the wrapper. Definitely need two hands to do this. But it's pretty not bad. Kind of cool. And the little clip goes here. Bottom of the plastic goes right under there. Turns this. Lock and unlock. Door handle. Maybe I can get this back on. Right there. Keep that. I'll show you what it looks like. And this thing. Pull. Push. super nice. Trying to see like if anything is needed. Just a window. Unroll. It's that simple. It's a little pin in the back that you push out. All this. Grease that up. Keep her nice. Gonna pull this trim off. Kind of bad looking, but pull that trim off, sand it, and then paint it. But yeah, I don't know. I really like the inside of these door panels though. So it kind of makes it tough for me to want to gut it. It's like 4 pounds. Let's see what we're at this time. It's high-end flat screen. Speaker. Foot block. £6.4 pounds. All right. Uninspected weight reduction. So I'm just looking for an inlet for my AEM gauge. I pull up this carpet. It's a little damp, a little wet, and it's got this padding right here, wet, probably 2 pounds. And then the sound deadening just decides to fall out pretty much. I picked this one strip up. Maybe hear the weight fall into the bucket if I drop it nice. No, it's going to hit something, but it's got some weight to it. So yeah, just random, easy to pull out shit. Pulled this out just to check the steering column because it was making a little noise. Wanted to see if any of the other YouTube videos I watch can fix that little extra loose vagina steering wheel. But yeah, this shit just literally is pulling out. So I don't need any dry ice to pull this shit out for sure. This hole right here, I think, is the culprit for the water. I don't know how much I really want that off, but there we go. 2-second weight reduction. Probably take out some smell in here too, because it's all wet. Weight reduction results. This is from the sound deadening, the padding behind the steering, some random ass carpet. Oh, like fuck. 17.8 pounds. Let's do 17.3 due to the bin being half a pound, pretend. Oh, sound deadening, wet carpet. Not even wet carpet, just the padding. I left the carpet in there. Project Hood. I'm gonna go for some gold paint, try to match these rims. All right, after 1 hour of sanding, gotta keep finishing it, smooth out those little freaking random ass grinder paint cut stuff the guy did. All right, sanded it all down with 120.
Should have went 80, but I was a retard. Then I went 220, and then I wet wiped it down. I feel some stuff I don't like, but I'm going to use 1500 grit on an orbiter stander, and then I'm going to wash it off again and tacky tape it, this, get any residue off, and the paint primer.